Hello everyone, today is Friday, 29th of November 2024, and we're going to look at the trades that we're going to take on Nasdaq, Dow Jones, and S&P 500 if we see low risk opportunities. As you see from the macro chart of 1 hour, the price was in narrow range after the Thanksgiving holiday yesterday, and the market is open for half a day. So as you see, the price started to go down and up in a narrow range during the Globex session around the previous day close. And after New York market opening, we see that the price started to go up on Nasdaq and S&P 500. So our plan of action is to wait for the price to pass this resistance level, and if we see a well-established uptrend, we take long position till the next resistance level. Or if we see a deep pullback, we wait for the buyers to come back and take long positions again. So stay tuned, and we're going to update you with any trades that we're going to take today. So we're back, and I missed to record a few trades that I took with setup T and then later C on Nasdaq, and one also position on S&P 500, and I'm waiting for another pullback on Nasdaq and take long position. It's a good area now. I'm going to take one more long position. I just entered manually and set another limit order below that for better entry, and see if I can close this one with profit. The buyers were not strong, so I closed it manually, and because the day after Thanksgiving with low volatility and also volume, we're going to finish for the day. Let's look at the stats of all these trades that were copied by copy trader to multiple Apex Trader funding accounts. And as you see, we are positive with profit factor of 2, which is coming from 60% win rate, 66 from the 9 long positions and 1 losing sell short positions. The average win to loss ratio was 1.34. The largest winning trade was $290, and the largest losing trade was $164. So hope this trades taken by the PAAT system for fast scalping is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day and also weekend, and have a great Thanksgiving holidays.